In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books easily and efficiently. Welcome to our full 2025 guide. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Zoho Books webpage. You can simply use your preferred internet browser and enter the URL for Zoho Books. Once you're there, you'll see an overview of their cloud bookkeeping software solutions designed to help manage and streamline your financial tasks. Next, on the Zoho Books homepage, keep an eye out for the Sign In button. This should be prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll have several options to access your account. Now, when you arrive at the login page, you'll notice various methods to sign in. Directly on this page, there's typically a section highlighted for those already registered users. Go ahead and click on the highlighted option related to Zoho Books. This will advance you to the specifics of logging in using the credentials associated with your account. If you've linked your Zoho Books account to a Google account, logging in becomes especially seamless. All you need to do is click on your Google account display when prompted. In our example, a user named Prince Sagrado would see his account name displayed. Clicking on your account name will initiate the Google authentication process, ensuring your sign-in is both quick and secure. After selecting your Google account, you'll be presented with a Continue button. Clicking this button will finalize the login process. It's imperative, however, to ensure your credentials are up to date and that you've granted necessary permissions for a streamlined experience. And that's it, you're in. You should now have access to all the features and data within Zoho Books, ready to manage your bookkeeping needs. It's truly as simple as these few steps. Remember, easy access begins with having your login details and preferences set up accurately. If you've encountered any issues, it's wise to check the stability of your internet connection or revisit your account credentials to ensure they've been entered correctly. This process is designed to be efficient, saving you time while ensuring that your financial management tools are readily available to you. Don't hesitate to explore the additional modules and features within Zoho Books once you're signed in. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content just like this, providing insights into efficiently using software tools to enhance your workflow. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.